What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. So today's video we're gonna go be installing a cutout on the Ram. So I'm gonna show you. It's a 3-inch cutout. I'm gonna take it out. It's right here, 3-inch cutout. So we're gonna be installing it. We're gonna go with the boys where we install the cutout, the cooks, exhaust, and run all the pipe with the 300. So we're gonna be going there again. If you haven't get your interest in for the giveaway, make sure to get them in. I'll put the website right here so I can go check it out. More parts coming soon. I'm gonna do the black suede. I'm gonna do the black trims on it and drop it. More mods coming soon. And for the 300 too, we're just waiting on parts for delaying and delivery, but it's just that. And I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. Y'all comment below what should we do next to the truck and the car. And y'all comment below what should be the next giveaway. But further ado, let's go and let's go install this cutout. Alright guys, so we just arrived here. We're gonna see if they're not busy. With C&M. Ahorita hacerlo. Vengo mañana y ponemos los tips. Iba a agarrar los que me enseñaste, los de 5 pulgadas. We're gonna put it up right now. Ya go check out C&M. Alright guys, they just got done welding it. There's a new splitter, the custom splitter I got. Yeah, I haven't seen it, but they're already finished right now. You like trucks and cars?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Especially
Low truck? So tomorrow we're gonna be installing the exhaust tips. Alright guys, so we installed the cutout already. I'm gonna go home and connect it, and then I'm gonna show you how it sounds. Alright guys, so we installed the cutout already. I'm just testing it right now. It's plugged up. And I'm gonna show you. It's right here. And I'm gonna open it with the remote. It's right there. So I'm gonna record my reaction. I never heard this truck with the cutout, so y'all gonna see. Alright, let's go. Okay. Are you ready? Let's close. Hey, that shit sounds bad. So it's close right there. Let's close. There I have it, guys. Now we gotta run and hide this, so I'm gonna do that. But there I have it, guys. All right, so we're gonna do a pull, guys. So I have it on gears. Y'all can hear it. Nice. Fucking cars are coming. y'all can hear it. I'm gonna close it. Let's close. That's open. I like it. But yeah, guys, there you have it. The cutout install. I really like it. I recommend it. I like the cutouts because whenever some people get bored of it, some people don't. Or whenever you're just driving and then there's someone trying to race you, you just open them and you know. So it's just like, so that's why I choose a cutout, to make it quiet and loud. And it makes a big difference. Like when I close it, it sounds really quiet. When I open it, it sounds aggressive. I like it. But I recommend it, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. Y'all comment down below what should we do next to the truck. But I'm gonna do, I think, next the suede and the black trim. So y'all stay tuned for that. And stay tuned with the 300 too. We're waiting on the parts. And if you're new, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.